Close your eyes and imagine that you are at Dunkin' Donuts or Starbucks if you prefer Starbucks. You get yourself a nice hot cup of coffee or a nice cold iced coffee. You're minding your own business, you're super pumped to drink this coffee, and then someone bumps into you. The lid pops off. There's coffee everywhere. It's all over your clothes. It's all over the floor. It's all over your shoes. Ugh, what an unfortunate thing that just happened to you. Now you wonder, why did your coffee spill? The obvious answer is because that person came out of nowhere and bumped into you. But that's not the answer. Your coffee spilled because your cup was filled with coffee. If you had ordered tea or juice or a smoothie, that person would have still come out of nowhere and bumped into you. So whatever was in your cup would have spilled either way. Now, let's say that cup of coffee represents you, and that random person that bumped into you, that represents life. That probably seems a bit confusing, but I promise if you listen, it makes sense. Think about how you react when life bumps into you. Math that once came easy is now getting really challenging. Maybe you're just having a bad day, or you make a mistake. Think about what is going to spill out of your cup. Is it going to be anger, frustration, and negativity? Are you going to shut down? Or will you spill positivity, encouragement, and perseverance? And you'll know that with a little bit of hard work, you can get through anything. Life gives you the cup. Now you choose how to fill it. Today and every day, let's work towards gratitude, forgiveness, positivity, kindness for all, and peace.